And right now, we want to learn about our very first operator, which is the arithmetic operator. What are arithmetic operators? They are the operators that we use to perform mathematical operations. How many arithmetic operators are there in PHP? Well, we have the following. We have the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, division, modulus, increment, and decrement. Alright, so some of you might be wondering how each of these operators work. Let's find out. You will notice from this code named arithmetic operators that I created two variables, variable A and variable B. The first variable is assigned to the number 8 and the second variable is assigned the number 2. And I perform different arithmetic operations on these same variables. For example, I performed addition on this, subtraction, multiplication, division, the modulus, increment, and decrement. Let us see the result of what we have here. You know what to do. We simply go to our browser, we type localhost / the name of the file, provided that it is already stored to your htdocs file inside your XAMPP folder. And then we hit enter. Now notice that we got some results here. For example, this first one, 10, is the result of 8 plus 2. The second one, 6, is the result of 8 minus 2. The third one, 16, is the result of 8 times 2. The fourth one, 4, is the result of 8 divided by 2. The fifth one, 0, is the remainder of the division of 8 and 2. For example, 8 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 0. Now that's it. Now, for this one, 9, this is the increment operator applied to the variable A. Remember, A was 8. When we add the increment operator to this variable, it increased to 9 by 1. Now the decrement operator was applied to the second variable B. It was formerly 2, but when the decrement operator was applied to it, it became 1. So it's as simple as that. Arithmetic operators. So this is just how arithmetic operators work in PHP. I would advise that you practice with each and every one of these operators until you get very comfortable with them. Let us move to the next operator in PHP.